Do you want to learn English faster and speak fluently? Are you looking to communicate confidently with local people and make more friends? Welcome to our new video designed to help you boost your speaking and listening skills. In this video, you'll experience a real-life conversation that you can use in everyday situations. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your English skills. Stay with us until the end to see noticeable progress in your English. Here's how the lesson is structured. Part 1. Listen practice. Part 2. Vocabulary. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Are you ready to train your brain and start speaking English fluently? Let's dive in. In this first part, you'll listen to a conversation between Adam and Lisa. Pay attention to the flow of the dialogue and try to understand the context. This will help you grasp how people interact in real-life situations.
Hi, you must be the new hire. I'm Adam. Welcome to the team.
Hi, thank you. I'm Lisa. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How's it going on your first day so far?
It's going well, but there's a lot to learn.
That's totally normal. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Everyone here is really helpful.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
Great. Let me know if you need anything. We're happy to have you here.
Thanks so much. I appreciate it.
Now, let's dive into some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain each word and use it in example sentences to help you understand their meaning. Keep that in mind. This means to remember or think about something important when you make decisions or do something. People often say it to give advice, reminders, or instructions. You can use this phrase in both casual and professional situations. It's a polite way to remind someone about something important without being too strong or direct.
Fingers crossed for a female judge. Cry if you can. I'll keep that in mind.
Hey, who's got your back, huh? Me, that's who.
I'll keep that in mind.
Hesitate. This means to pause or feel unsure before doing something, often because of doubt, fear, or uncertainty. In a workplace, this word is often used in a supportive way to encourage someone to speak up or seek help. It's commonly paired with phrases like, feel free, or don't hesitate.
Is everything okay?
Yes, of course. If there's ever anything that you need, don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you.
Why did he hesitate?
You need anything, don't hesitate to come find me, okay?
Appreciate. It means to understand the value or importance of something or someone. It's also used to say, thank you.
Is anybody eating this?
No, Frank. You know what? You can have it. At least someone appreciates it.
Hey, Thanks, bro. I appreciate you understanding.
Unlike some people. Mikey, what are you doing? Communing with people who appreciate my innate spiritual gifts.
I appreciate your insane spiritual gifts, Mikey. Now put your shirt on.
This is it. I appreciate your cooperation.
How's it going? It is an informal way of asking someone how they are or how things are happening in their life. It's like saying, how are you? How are things?
Hey.
How's it going? I got you.
Hey, T-Bird.
How's it going, Doomit?
Good. How you doing, buddy?
Pretty good, thanks.
High five. How's it going?
I must have utter silence in order to complete this task.
Oh, what you doing?
I'm looking for a job.
How's it going?
Well, that depends. How do you feel about Oregon?
If you like our video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Let's get into some interactive practice. Pay close attention to the questions I ask about the conversation and try saying your answers out loud before I share the correct ones. Doing this will strengthen your speaking and listening skills. Practice this daily until you can respond quickly and with confidence.
Hi, you must be the new hire. I'm Adam. Welcome to the team.
Hi, thank you. I'm Lisa. It's nice to meet you.
Did Adam meet Lisa before? No, he didn't meet Lisa before. Was Lisa working in this team? No, she wasn't. She is a new hire. Did Lisa introduce herself? Yes, she introduced herself. What does Lisa say to Adam after he welcomes her? Oh, she says, "It's nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too. How's it going on your first day so far?
It's going well, but there's a lot to learn.
Is today the second day Lisa works in the team? No, today's the first day Lisa works in the team. What does Adam ask Lisa? He asks, "How's it going on your first day so far?" Why does Adam ask this question? To check how Lisa is feeling and to make her feel comfortable. Does Lisa say her first day is bad? No, she says it's going well. Does Lisa feel easy to start her job? No, she feels there is a lot to learn.
That's totally normal. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Everyone here is really helpful.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
Is it special for Lisa to feel this way? No, it's totally normal to feel this way. What advice does Adam give Lisa? He tells her feel free to ask questions. Is everyone helpful in this team? Yes, everyone is really helpful. Will Lisa remember Adam's advice? Yes, she will. She will keep that in mind.
Great. Let me know if you need anything. We're happy to have you here.
Thanks so much. I appreciate it.
What does Adam say to show support? He says, "Let me know if you need anything." Is the team happy to have Lisa here? Yes, the team is happy to have Lisa here. Does Lisa feel upset about what Adam said? No, she doesn't. She feels happy to hear from Adam. What does "I appreciate it" mean? It means Lisa is thankful for Adam's kindness and support. Finally, let's move on to shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud right after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Pay attention to the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will help improve your pronunciation and enhance your overall speaking skills. Let's begin.
Hi, you must be the new hire. I'm Adam. Welcome to the team. Nice to meet you too. How's it going on your first day so far? That's totally normal. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Everyone here is really helpful. Great. Let me know if you need anything. We're happy to have you here.
Hi, thank you. I'm Lisa. It's nice to meet you. It's going well, but there's a lot to learn. Thanks. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks so much. I appreciate it.
Well done on completing the English speaking practice. Keep practicing every day, and you'll notice progress in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.